Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, yeah. Yesterday we are starting about three-level architecture. Through that one, data independence. I'm telling logical data independence. You have an idea, but unfortunately, that is practically I'm not telling only. Today we are discussing that one practically, very easily understandable. Suppose here, what is table level security means in every relational databases, in a conceptual level means table, huge amount of data is there. This all the data is not required for all the developers or all the customers anywhere. But data is what confidential. That's why some type of designation employees wants to view as some portion of the data from the where conceptual level. In that case, only database administrator create a view. Then those views given to the where number of users. How they are giving a what permission means grant object privileges on view name to number of users. Okay, and now here, yes, observe here, screen observe it. This is the way, and now I am applying a what practically. Suppose here, this is a table is there, conceptual level, 1 minute only. This is select a star from EMP is a table. Yes, my database administrator creating a view from this table only. Maybe some portion of the data they want to view. Don't write it. Here, and now here, check it out. For example, now this is a what table is there. This is a conceptual level. For example, your imagination. And now here from this one, a portion of the data they are creating. Create view or replace. I'm not telling. Just first observe it here. Create view, view name. Yes, here as select. Okay, whatever columns they are interested to visible to the where that users that they are putting only e-name, comma salary, comma department number, service salary, comma department number. Okay, from EMP. This is the view they are creating. Now this view given to the where number of users. Okay, how can I grant all or object privileges, insert, update, delete, select anything. Grant all on view name to user. Another one, Murli is a user. Okay, fine. Whenever they are giving a what permission like this here, then database administrator giving a what some view to where Murli, okay, some users. Then only those users are how they are viewing me observed here. This is a user is there. Okay, employee connect to the where username and password like this. And now here check it out here like this only, and now here observe it. So now here show user is a Murli user. In this Murli user wants to view, so now here yes that data means select a star from here synonym name is there. Synonym in a next classes only we are learning about synonym. A username dot object name place some other synonym, another alias name, permanent alias name they are creating, that is administrator giving me. Through that one they are viewing what data. And now here, but today that much of knowledge is not there. Here username dot object name view name like this. And now here observe here. That's why yes, here huge amount of data is available in a table also, but this Murli user only portion of the data they are viewing. Only employee numbers, e-name, salaries, department number they are viewing from the table. They are unable to view job. They are unable to view hire date. They are unable to view MGR. They are unable to view commission. Why? Because they are not giving a what permission. So administrator not giving a what permission to give a permission to where view they where those type of column. Maybe anything. Any reason is there. Now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose I'm a Murli employee. I know the where all the okay, other employees salaries I have an idea because they are giving a permission only. But unfortunately, I am not a good employee. Means I am giving, I am telling to where yes, this employee salary to this employee salary to this employee. I will tell okay, so all the okay, so employee salaries to one another only. Then automatically some problems are occurred. That's why up to today they are giving a what a salary column in a where. For example, salary column into the where Murli user also. Yes, today onwards higher management is decided only. Yes, Murli telling about one salaries to another salaries to another employee salaries. This is facing about problem only. That's why now that because salary is a confidential, we cannot tell to one salaries to another salary. So many problems are occurred. That's why now they are decided database administrator. Today onwards, we are not allowed to give a what a salary column to where that user only. And now how means just whatever view is there, this V1 is a view is there or not. This view just they're changing. they're changing only. Existing view means data dictionary we are viewing only, but I'm not telling like this. Observe here how they are changing means just or replace is a keyword they are using. Up to now or replace I'm not telling only. Here they are using a what, create, now create view name is there or not. Yes, this view they are changing only. How they are changing means concentrate here. And now here check it out, where is that one, in a where conceptual level. And now here now check it out, here they're changing only create or replace they're giving. Whenever or replace they are giving means automatically whatever existing view is modified or not. And also in this newly created view salary they're removing. That's what daily they're changing based on the requirement. Now check it out, yes they're giving a what view. And also permission, okay, they're giving only like this. Once they are giving a what permission, then only now up to today my Murli user viewing a what all the okay salaries also or department also, so e-name also, employee number also. But suddenly they're typing like this, select a star from here Scott dot v1, then automatically only they're viewing a what, yes portion or not, employee number, e-name, department number. They're unable to view with the what salary. That's why this is the way. This is called a table level security. Table level security. What is logical data independence means? Through this example I will tell you. First, a table level security. What is table level security? Database administrator giving a what, creating a views from the where tables, and those views only given to the number of users. Then only number of users we only portion of the data from the database. That is called a table level security. All the data they are unable to view a portion of the data. They are very easy or not? Yes, here. Now fastly write it this example. Example. Go to SQL prompt, connect Scott and Tiger. Now this is a table is there, select a star from EMP like this. Here directly I'm writing a view, create or replace view name as your selector. In a columns your own wish. Anywhere condition also, employee number, e name, salary, DEPT number from EMP like this. Once view is created, then go to SQL prompt. They are giving a grant in object privileges on view name to username morally. Okay, in a user, for example. Then only this grant is succeeded after this Morley user connect. Morley is a user and also Morley is a password. This user will have to view portion of the data from the table. Select star from username dot object name like this. Write it. Simple. Fastly write it. That's why database administrator only restricting which data they are allowed to view, which data they are not allowed to view like this. Complete data. Fast. Now again observe here. Actually I'm telling in a study class side only, this is a what conceptual level is there, this is a what external level is there. Today we are discussing that one only. But unfortunately what I'm telling, logical data independence is a data independence is a concept is there. What is data independence? Upper levels are unaffected by changes in the where lower levels. But unfortunately whenever we are adding a new column into the where in a table, in a where in a table in a conceptual level, then that column automatically will not be added in a where external level view only. That is called logical data independence. How much easy? You have to check it out here. Conceptual level is there, here table. In the table only we are adding a new column. Then that automatically this is adding or not, check it out. Data is adding, but column structure will not be changed. That is called logical data independence. What is the which one logical data example of? Example, write it. Logical data independence. Logical data independence. Physical data independence we are learning in another chapter. Okay, logical data independence. How much easy observed here? How much easy logical data independence means observed here. Suppose screen observe it. Here this is a conceptual level. Okay, fine. In this conceptual level, just I'm adding a new column. This is a table is there. Sorry, connect here. For example, Scott user is there. For example, now here in this one. Now here, check it out. Here, this is a table is there. Select a star from EMP is a table. Slowly observe here. In this table, and also view is there in a V1 is a view is there in a where Morley user. Now suddenly in this table, they are adding a new column into this table, existing table. Not a data. Data is affected, but column. Suppose address is a column, they are adding, for example. Now check it out. How can I alter table name, EMP, add address? Sorry, add address here where cat to they're adding, for example. Whenever they're adding a what new column, yes, that column is added in a where? In your table. Okay, fine. Yes, EMP like this. Now here address is a column. And now here, yes, it is automatically added. Now database administrator giving a what permission in a where view to that user only. For example, already there, but okay, I'm giving permission again. Grant all on view name to user. What is the user? Morally like this. Now in that Morley user, everyone telling very easy only. In that Morley user, they are viewing a what? Yes, presently show user. Okay, so now in that user, presently they are viewing a view means select a star from here username dot view name. Yes, it is visible in a where in an address column. No, not visible. Why? Because whenever we are adding a new entity or new column in a where in a conceptual level table, then that structure of the view will not be affected. Will not be affected. That is called data independence. But here that is a logical data independence. Here observe here. Yes, that is not visible. That's why everything is independent only. Okay, na? Yes, here simple. Write it fastly. Logical data independence. In this example, okay. In this example, whenever we are adding a new column, into EMP table, then structure of the view will not be affected, then structure of the view will not be affected. This is called logical data independence. Logical data independence. Logical data independence. Go to SQL prompt here. Observe it here. How can I connect Scott and Tiger like this? Fastly write it. Here, this is a table is there. Select a star from EMP like this. Here, alter table name EMP, add address varchar to like this. This table is altered. Select star from EMP like this. Now they are giving a permission. Already view is there. No? Here again they are giving a permission. Grant all on view name to username. These are very easy. Practically just we apply. Connect here. Morley is a user and also Morley is a password like this. Now here select star from spot.unit. Write it fastly this one. Already PLSQL starting, no, in a where already starting PLSQL. 10 o'clock already. You are not attending book, maybe. No. This is a what? Morley Scott, select star from Scott.v1 or not? Yes, here. Okay, na? Yeah. Already in this batch, PLSQL is starting at 10 o'clock. Maybe some fellows are not attending. Now here. Finished? Now here. Now, observe here. Okay, understood logical data independence. Now, observe here. In every database in the worldwide, screen observe it here. We are viewing a what views. We are using a what synonyms. We are viewing a what indexes. These are all the things in a project oriented. Now, now observe it here. Actually, now here, select star from V1. I'm typing. Select star from Scott.v1. Some other fellows typing. Some fellows are synonym names they are using. Some fellows are the index name we are using. But this V1 is a table or view or synonym or okay cluster or index or anything. How you are understandable means. Oh yes, anybody attending your previous classes, user underscore constraints data dictionaries. I'm telling no. Same like user underscore objects is a data dictionary is there. Through that one, just here are their object name or object type like this only we are viewing means, then automatically that object is a what? A view is displayed. Synonym is displayed. Index means index is displayed. That's why so many interview are asking. Whenever I'm typing in my project only, just select a star from yes, here view name like this, but sorry, something only. But unfortunately, I'm confusing this is a view or this is a table or this is a what a synonym. I'm not understandable only how some other fellow is creating. Maybe this is a table, this is a view, this is a synonym, this is an index, we don't know. But how you are identifying a what, this one is a what, that particular object means simple technique is there. What is that one? User underscore objects. All objects details are stored in a where? User underscore objects data dictionary. In that one object name, object type, so many concepts are there. DSC user underscore objects. This is very important inter question. User underscore objects is a data dictionary is there. In that one, so much of information is there. Object name is there, object type is there, when it is created, those all the things only are now here. Yes, creating dates also there. That's why star I'm typing in a previous case. Here, when it will be created, what is the time, what the validations of the where table to where view, a table to synonym, like this, all the details are there. And now, but unfortunately, all the details I don't want select object underscore name comma object underscore type only. And now here v1 view is there, no type means view synonym index, and name means whatever name they are giving only from user underscore objects where object underscore name is equal to Just we are using a capital letter V1, V1, okay, like this only. You are observed here. Object name is what? V1. Yes, object type is a what? View. Very, very, very important question. Yes, how you are given the guarantee, you are typing a select statement, that is a table, that is a procedure, that is a function, that is a view, that is an index, that is a synonym. Anybody asking me, only one answer. What is the answer? Yes, so through the user underscore objects data dictionary, we are identifying a what? Object name and object type. Simple or not? Yes, here. Write a note. Note, write it, very important. Write a note. Write a note. If you want to find out object types means use synonyms like equal. If you want to find out object types based on object name, then we must use user underscore objects data dictionary. User underscore objects data dictionary. Example, go to SQL prompt, connect, squat and tiger, example. This one I'm typing. Write it fastly. Select object underscore name, comma object underscore type from user underscore objects. Because another fellows are creating, but you don't know what is that object. In a Oracle side, this one, PLSQL side, like. Anybody missing classes, anybody not attending the previous classes in a where in a PLSQL, today onwards you are attending, not a problem. Just you have to refer videos only. They are sharing a videos, no? Yes, we have to refer. You can fastly rate it. These are important concepts, fast. Today we are completing a what fastly? This views. Finished, huh? Okay, now here, next, last concept only. Uses of views in every database. Uses of views. Uses of views. This is also inter question. This is also inter question. Today, force view and which option, read only views. These are all the things inter question, pressure level also. Now, uses of views. What is the uses of views means? Observe here. Very, very important. 3 uses. Actually, 2 uses main only. What is that one? View stores a what? Which one? Not a data. View stores a what? Select statement. Whenever complex queries are there in a project side, a big queries are there. Those queries I want to store in a where? In a database. And also whenever necessary, just simplifying a complex queries purpose, just not required to write a big query. Select a star from view name. They're typing or not. That is the first use. Already I'm telling. A reuse of the where select statement. Reusing of the select statement means what is the meaning of this one? Select statement always select. Okay, we cannot store select statement in a databases, but unfortunately table data only we are storing in databases. But unfortunately, one object is there view only, within a view only we are storing a what? Select statement. That's why in a complex big queries are there, those select statements are put into where? Views only. Now, once they are storing a what? That select statements in a views, not a bit like views only. Then simplification of the complex queries purpose we are using. Whenever necessary, that complex query data means just they are not required to write a big query. Select star from view name, enough. Now that's why simplifying a complex queries purpose, they're using a what views, because views stores a select statement. Okay, na? Yes, here. Next, another one is today already we are telling, and now here, yes, table level security. Table level security means already you have an idea. Database administrator creating a views from the where tables, and now then those views given to the where number of users. Simple, the number of users viewing a what portion of the data, or okay, access a portion of the data through view to base table or not, is simple. Now, achieving a logical data independence. Achieving a logical data independence means already you have an idea or not. That is the occasion of your database designer side. Write it. Uses of use. Fastly write it. In all relational databases. Simple theory. In all relational databases. In all relational databases. Views are used in. Views are used in following three scenarios. Following three scenarios. These are first one, simplifying complex queries. Because view stores queries. View stores queries only. That's for use of that queries purpose. Okay. Yeah. Next, second one, providing table level security. Table level security. Next, third one, achieving logical data independence. Now, these are all the things you have an idea now. That's why in every database also we are telling you first two is enough. Just attend it classes, but don't ask it. How many classes are there? What is the total? Finished. Completed? Yes, here. This is universal. All the databases, interviewer asking a what? Yes, some questions only. What is view? View can store a what? Only views. Okay, select statements only. What are the uses of views? Means the reuse of that select statement only, simplifying a complex queries purpose. And over your Oracle intro side, view and materialized view differences. Okay. And now here, yes, this one. But unfortunately, not only this one, some other concepts are there in a real time. Those things also interviewer asking for Java, .NET, these type of fundamental programmer side, front-end developer side, they're asking what is that one means. When a view having a what, a special clause is there with check option, what is that one in your project only? Describe that one they're asking. This is also nowadays popular question. Simple this one. Again, what is force view in your project? Otherwise, what is force view in a Oracle database? Again, what is read-only view? Interviewer asking. These are also interview questions, but very easy only. And now here, yes, not only these all the things. These are subject in a project-oriented works only. But now onwards, interview questions. Three interview questions are there in a database, not only Oracle. Yes, SQL Server and Oracle also with check option clause is there. Side heading with the check option. With the check option. View is a big concept. Okay. Yes, that's why this big chapter only. All the things you are familiar compass. Put a star with the check option. Okay. And now concentrate. Fastly observe here. Anybody asking a view not telling a properly means they are not interested to select that candidate, because view is the main concept in a project side. And now check it out. Concentrate here. This is a table is there, easily understandable. This is a table, EMP. Okay, fine. First initial step, I'm dropping a what column, alter table name, EMP drop column name address. And now here check it out. This is a table is there. Select now here select the star from EMP like this. And now here check it out. First initial stage, maybe first class in a where views we are starting means what I am telling. Anybody observing or not? Create, don't write it. Create or replace view. Just don't write it. Create or replace view you name as here select star from EMP where department number is equal to 10 only. And now I am telling 10th department view I am creating. But unfortunately in that class one morally and also my name I am giving only and 30th department is allowed to insert or not allowed to insert? Yes, allowed to insert possible. Already I'm telling or not. Through the view, we are inserting a what? Yes, one morely 30 into where? Yes, base table possible. But that is not visible in a where? In a view only, but visible in a where? In a database table. That is everyone knows. But a more security purpose in a real-time project side. Whenever where condition values they are giving only those values only we are allowed to insert. Other values we are not allowed to insert means just we are adding a what with check option clause. Same like a constraints are there now. Yes, here whenever we are using a constraints in a normal table means yes, here primary key, foreign key, check like this means some invalid data entry stopping or not. Same like here also in a views means we cannot create primary key, foreign key like this only because view is not a table only. And now this storing a what select statement. That's why here same like a constraint type mechanism they want. Whatever visibility values are there in a view, those values only we are allowed to insert through view to base table. Another values I don't want to insert. Where condition values only I want to insert means just here in every relational database, one extra clause they are giving only. What is that one? With check option is a clause. How much is it? With check option is a clause. Whenever a view having a with check option clause, then users are not allowed to insert other than where condition values through view to base table. That is a more security. Suppose 10th department is there. In this case, I try to insert 30th department. Insert into what is the view name? V1 only. Here employee number, comma, here e name, comma, here department number like this only. Here values, here employee number 1, comma, e name, my name Murali. And also 30th department, I try to insert impossible. Yes, here because where condition visibility value is what? 10th department here. With the check option means yes, check a what that data in a where condition. Simple. And now here, but here 10th department visibility is there, but here 30 we are trying to insert impossible. It won't insert. It will be restricted. Here error. Here view with check option clause, where clause violation or not. But 10th department possible because whatever visibility value is there, that is possible. Suppose here 2, here ABC. Here 10th department possible or not? How much is it? Yes, it will be inserted or not. That's why a view having a with check option clause where condition, then yes, users are not allowed to insert other than where condition values through view to base table. Simple. And now here that's why with check option clause provides a what? More security in a view. With check option clause is a not a mandatory clause, optional clause. So many project side they're using a what this clause only in a where either in SQL server, either in a Oracle, either in a MySQL like that only. Okay, na? Yes, this is a extra concept only. Simple. Write it side heading with the check option. Write it side heading with the check option. Firstly write it with check option. This is an optional clause. This is an optional clause used along with where clause only, where clause only, usually along with where clause only. In Oracle, if you want to, if you want to define constraint type mechanism on views, then we must use then we must use with check option clause. Next paragraph it. When a view having with the check option clause, then we are not allowed to then we are not allowed to insert other than where condition values through view to base table syntax create or replace view name as select the star from table name where condition with space check space option. Create or replace view name as select star from table name where condition with the check option. This is a clause only, okay, simple. Fastly write it this example through this one, very easily understandable. That's why some views we cannot insert data in other than where condition means maybe the administrators giving about more security purpose these type of with check option clauses. Simple, fastly write it. Syntax finish fast. Now this example write it. These are all inter questions. One time what we have an idea means enough. This is error. Because here 10th department is there, but here where condition other than value 30 we are inserting. That is why error. Finished. This one also write it, insert into. The 10th department means one row inserted. Completed fast. Next, another entry question, force view. Force view, or some fellows are call it as forced view. Forced view. Now, this is not useful in a project site, just but unfortunately, what is this one interviewer asking? So many fellows are asking like this. Now, actually, in everyone telling what we are creating a views from the tables. No? Yes, otherwise another view also okay. But unfortunately, now here without in a base table, we can also create a view. Those type of views are called force views. But what are the use? Maybe it is possible, but in a future, anybody creating a what the table, then only this is activated. That name is created table, then only activated. Those type of views are not there in all databases. Some database supported, Oracle is supported only. This ANSI standard concept. Force view means in Oracle, we can also create a view without having any base table. These type of views are also called as force view or forced views. Okay, now here, write it first. In Oracle, we can also create a view without having any base table. These type of views are also called as force view or forced view. In Oracle, we can also create a view without having any base table. These type of views are also called as force view or forced view. Okay, now concentrate here. Maybe anybody telling now means great. Okay, suppose in a table is there, I'm cropping, so only look at those tables. Okay, fine. Now, observe here. Suppose I'm creating a view. Suppose create or replace view. Don't write it here, very interesting. Here view name as select star from EMP means working, but yes, DEPT is working, but unfortunately ABC I'm writing. This if ABC table is not there in my database, then view is created or not, check it out. Otherwise, Hyderabad I am writing only. Hyderabad is a table is not there in my Scott schema, then this view is created or not created. Only one thing is correct, fast. Maybe guess it. I'm creating a view, create or replace view name as select star from Hyderabad. I'm writing only. Hyderabad is a table is not there in my Scott schema. Then a view is created or not created. Only one thing is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling what who view is created. They're telling absolutely wrong one. View is never created. Without table, view is never created. But what is force view? Yes, I will tell you. In this case, what the error means? Table or view or does not exist. Observe it here. Table or view does not exist is an error. But what is force view? I will tell you. Now check it out. Observe here. I'm pressing a what enter key in this case. Yes, here error here. Table or view does not exist or not. But force view means slight difference. What is that one? Just observe here. Observe here. Here create or replace here in front of the view. Just they are giving a what? Force is a keyword. Whenever they are giving a what? Force is a keyword. Then that is forced to create a view. Really not possible, but unfortunately in this case forced to create a view. Maybe in a future the table is created means that name, then only it is activated. That's why force view means force is a keyword is there, then only that is a force view. And now here in this case error does not displayed, warning is displayed. Yes, here view created with compilation errors. This is different. Absolute here. Yes, view created with which one? Compilation errors. View created with the what? Compilation errors. So you created with the what? Compilation errors like this. And now here, yes, here And now here table view created with the compilation error only. And now here in this case only show errors means it will be displayed a what? Really this table is not exist, okay, invisible. And now when it will be activated, whenever we are using a what in a future, maybe this Hyderabad is a name in this example side, they're creating a table, then only activated. Observe here. That is not useful, just observe here. This is what they're asking only. Create table. Hyderabad is a table like this. Here as number at least one column is required or not. Yes, here. Now here like this. And also view compilation is there in a way 7.0 onwards. Alter view name here v1. Now here v1 compile is a command is there. And that is okay. Oracle Corporation giving in a 7.0 onwards. Then only DSC. What is the view name? v1. It is activated or not? Yes, here. Okay. Maybe in a future is activated whenever the same name as a table they are creating and recompiling the view, then only activated. These type of things also there in a where force view. Okay, Oracle sir, but no use. Just this is an optional concept copying from the where ANSI standard. That's all. And now if nobody using these type of things in a where in a project side. And now here write it, some theory write it, syntax write it. But into your course view in a Java.NET developer side, they're asking, okay, maybe at least idea purpose. Write it. Syntax, write it. Syntax. Create or replace. Columns are not there. No? Force view name as select star from any name. Force is a keyword is there. Okay. Example, write it fastly. These wing errors are not required for your purpose. Compiling also directly write it. Syntax are not required. It's a small concept. Write it syntax. Force is a keyword is there. Okay. Now example, write it. Directly this example, right? Fast. Just only intro question purpose. What is force view? What is simple view? What is complex view? They're asking is we are telling only. But view and materialized differences are important. View uses are important. Reminding all the things. What is what? Next, sometimes actually view does not have a group functions or expressions. Anything is not there also, we cannot perform DML operation. Those type of views are called with read-only, read-only views. Oh, what is read-only views means nothing is there, we cannot perform DML operation. How means just with check option clause is there, no, same like with read-only option clause is there. Fastly write it. Read-only views, last concept. Read-only views. Read-only views. Completed this series. Fast. Today we are completing. Read-only views. When a view having, write it. Fastly write it. When a view having with read-only, with read-only optional clause optional clause, with read-only optional clause, then we cannot perform. DML operations. Then we cannot perform DML operations through view to base table. Through view to base table. These type of views are also called as read-only views. Read-only views. Okay, directly I'm creating only. Now here check it out. Suppose with read only, either with where condition, without where condition, anything, not a problem. Suppose create or replace. I'm not writing syntax because easy, no? V2 as select star from EMP where department number is equal to 10. Just with space, read space only. They're giving, for example, whenever they're giving like this. Now here check it out. Here select star from V2 is there or not? Yes, here. But we cannot perform DML operations. Suppose here delete from V2 where now here yes department number is equal to 10. Okay, anything. And now here observe here cannot perform DML operations or not. Simple. Write it fastly. Example, write it directly. Only visibility reporting purpose they are giving only. This one fast. View is created. Okay, na? Yes, this is the view chapter. Other than this one, nobody asking about any questions in a where view. All the things I'm telling. Okay, na? In this chapter side, view and materialized view is important, and view is uses are very, 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 very important. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now you can join a what PLSQL side only in a very in the 10 o'clock. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. I'm out of session. Monday I will tell you remaining. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. PLSQL is there now. Okay, you have to connect it. Okay, yeah.